Is your monitor not turning on with PC? Don't worry. In this video, I'll share 9 possible solutions for resolving this problem. The last one should absolutely fix the problem. Number 1. Loose or damaged cables. It might seem simple, but a loose or damaged cable is one of the most common reasons for a monitor not displaying anything. Check that your power cable and video cable, whether it's HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, or DVI, are securely connected on both ends. If possible, try using a different cable or connecting the current one to another monitor to see if it's the culprit. Number 2. Monitor input source. Monitors often have multiple input options, HDMI, DisplayPort, VGA, etc., and if your monitor is set to the wrong input, it won't show anything. Use the buttons on your monitor to cycle through the input options until you find the one that matches your connected cable. Number 3. Power supply issues. If your monitor doesn't turn on at all, no lights, no display, there could be an issue with the power supply. Double-check that the monitor's power cable is plugged into a working outlet and that the outlet itself isn't the issue. Also, some monitors have a power switch on the back, so make sure that's turned on as well. Number 4. Faulty graphics card. Sometimes, the problem lies with your graphics card. If the card is not seated properly, or if it's faulty, your monitor won't get any signal. Open up your PC case, and make sure the GPU is firmly in its slot. If you have onboard graphics, try removing the graphics card and connecting your monitor directly to the motherboard's video output. Number 5. BIOS settings. Another potential issue is your BIOS settings. If your BIOS is misconfigured, it might be preventing your PC from sending a signal to the monitor. To fix this, you can reset your BIOS settings to their default state. Usually, you can do this by pressing a specific key like F2, F10, or delete during startup. Look for an option like Load Default Settings or Reset to Default and save the changes. Number 6. Peripheral conflicts. Peripheral devices, like USB drives, external hard drives, or even webcams, can sometimes cause conflicts that result in a blank monitor. To troubleshoot this, turn off your PC and disconnect all peripherals. Then, try booting up again with just the essential components, your keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Number 7. Monitor problems. If you've checked everything else and your monitor still isn't working, it could be the monitor itself. Try connecting it to a different computer to see if it works there. Alternatively, connect a different monitor to your PC. If the new monitor works, then you've likely got a faulty monitor on your hands. Number 8. RAM issues. If your RAM isn't seated properly, or if a stick is faulty, your PC might turn on without showing anything on the monitor. Open your case, reseat the RAM modules by taking them out and putting them back in, and make sure they click into place securely. You can also try booting with one stick of RAM at a time to identify a faulty module. Number 9. The problem could lie with your CPU or motherboard. If the CPU isn't seated correctly, or if the motherboard is damaged, it might prevent your monitor from receiving a signal. This is a bit more advanced to troubleshoot. You'll want to carefully reseat the CPU or check for any visible damage on the motherboard. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides.